Sekarang main Minecraft kreatif kayak ini ya. Nah, tadi peaceful easy iyalah itu. Biar gak usah itu. Sekarang beda pas itu kan ada gue sudah main Minecraft dari dulu, tapi ternyata masih ada beberapa hal yang baru gue tahu sekarang. Gak ada mod sekarang, tak tambahin mod biar tambah susah. Iya loh. Ya mungkin gak tahu tuh. Oke. Terus main FIFA Word yang lama sudah tak hapus karena tak downgrade. Gak bisa dipasang mod yang lama, jir. Ayolah cepet. Ayolah cuy. Aduh. Yes. Ini kenapa tak tutupin dulu. Ayo napa sih? Nah, mungkin segini paling. Gua nggak lihat kayak. Semoga saya cepet, please. Apa nih, jir? Bum, deka bum, work all day and wake up, work all day, yeah, work all day and wake up, work all day. Nah, aku di mana ini dari tutorial. Anjir, pistol. Di sini ada pistol, boy. Anjay, loh, baru tahu kalau bisa dapat itu. Kita bawa semuanya deh. Kulitnya tutupkan berapa? Dan disitulah gue baru sadar kalau kalian perlu tulis komen atau kena serangan chopper untuk dapetin efek ini. Setelah itu pas gue lagi di nether dan gue punya kayu buat masak makanan, gue langsung nyoba pakai kayu flintstone sebagai bahan bakarnya, tapi ternyata nggak bisa guys. Kita nggak usah makanan, kita nggak cari kayu. Jadi mungkin kayunya sudah kebal bisa dibakar. Tapi kalau gitu, oke, tuh. Jadi cara untuk mojang buat membuat kapal anti api ke Minecraft yang dibuat dari tak tinggiin biar ke tuh. Kalian denger gak sih? Gak tahu dah. Gue sudah main Minecraft dari dulu, tapi ternyata masih ada beberapa hal yang baru gue tahu sekarang. Jadi pas gue pengen cari efek meditation di inventory, gue gak bisa nemuin. Dan disitulah gue baru sadar. Gak disuruh. Sebagai bahan bakarnya, tapi ternyata nggak bisa guys. Iya masuk akal sih, kayu ini udah dari sana. Jadi mungkin kayunya sudah kebal bisa dibakar. Tapi kalau gitu, padahal pakai kayu lain bisa loh. Jadi saran untuk mojang, Patusan dari tadi gak ada suaranya. Nyambung ke jam tangan. Sudah kayaknya cukup. Tanya butuh. Oke, mampus we. Ya, dapat lumayan. Makanan tak usah mah. Wow, tempat baru. Banyak villager itu pasti. Yuhui. Anjay. Mana lah? Buang sampah. Nggak saja bukan tim villager. Nggak saja bukan villager, please. Villager, yes, villager, markasnya villager, minta, fokus juga, nggak pernah ada tinggi, beda aku bilang, anjay, tuh, mulai. Tak bawa Halo Pak Peku. Ada jarahan, aku nak jarahan. Oh my god. Isi. Oh my god. Apa ini terjadi ke markasku? Pada apa aja. Halo Pak. Ada chest. Lumayan. Senjata. Golden apple. Ini regenerasi lanjut. Banyak. Laptop. Duh. Tak rapiin lagi. Anjir. Stay baca. Oh iya, aku. Apa nanti aja ya? Halo, ada yang lain? Ini baru satu ruangan, salah. Enggak ada lagi kah? Enggak ada lagi. Nih. Tower. Si makanan lagi. Good job, mate. Aku nanti akan buat bendera tadi. Aku akan di sini terus tandai ini. Tapi nggak ada kasur. Ya nggak ada kasur. Pak, minggir Pak. Kasih dia bukain. Nah ini sama saja nyambung. Ngelek lagi. Tar guys. Kali ini kenapa sih? Halo udah nggak usah toh. Tes. Halo. Tuh, kok aneh? Anjir, bagus. Ini jadi negara kita, ye. Komunisi, ye. Kita bersihkan powder. Aku hanya butuh membuat tempatku saja. Bentar, ini ada ruangan. Oke. Scaffolding. Nah, ini tempat mana-mana ini. Kalau atas apa? Tempat manain juga. Yep. Seharusnya ada yang pakai senjata, mana? Ada yang punya senjata tak ambil tuh, bar. Yuk, sakitnya. Kira nggak sakit. Oke, kita akan menyesuaikan. Tidak usah sih. Ya paling ini doang, aku nggak butuh buku-bukuan di sini. Bisa. Tak taruh semua barangku di sini. Oke. Charger. Oke ya. Kita hanya ini taruh 8 gitu. Alah, bagusan ini still baca. Oke, sudah. Ini stok makanan kita. Ada Pak Pepo. Pak Pepo. Ta. Lalele. Bentar. Ke setting dulu. Bentar. Kan di sini mana ya? Tuh. Semiosis. Nah, iki. Iya. Apakah bisa semuanya kebuka termasuk di sini? Mana senjata api? Masket. What? Gimana cara buatnya cuy? What the heck? Bisa pot ini. Tim kal bandel. Ya paling kita harus buat ini sih. Diamond. Diamond. Nah, ini jadi tempat kita akan menguasai ini tempat. Pak. Apa nih? Piercing. Itu ya. Ini sharpness. Ini yang tadi itu. Ada si Bang. Halo Pak, aku mau bunuh kamu. Oh, aku tidak butuh kamu. Mayan. Aku nak cari tut 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 tut. Halo. Apalah. Ngelek. Kalau nggak ada, tak buat sendiri gua. Ada gua kah? Ini ke arah tempat tadi. Ke tempat sendiri, ke sana. Sugar frame buat kertas. Gak salah buat kertas atau gula ya, entah. Tak ambil pokoknya. Bagus, dibutuhkan juga. Wait a minute. Oh bukan deh. Alah, mana sih tambang lagi? Deket kayak gak deket-deket sama sekali. Gak lihat apa-apa gua. Ada air kah? Ya wes lah, buat sendiri lah. Wait. Ah shit. Ngelek. Di sana kan ada barang untuk buat pickaxe yang lebih bagus. Ngapain gua harus dapat tuh? Oke. Halo Pak Peko Papa. Ini ada tambang. Alah. Halo. Kita mati. Aman. P. Ini jualan gua apa jelek nih. Kita butuh sesuatu. Sini ada orslet. Ini mah cukup iki, kita udah bagus. Makanan ada, tapi gak ada tempat tidur sih. Ada apa-apa lagi? Oh, ini tuh tempat tidurnya. Bisa tidur. Tak kira hiasan loh ini. Aman. Di sini gak ada tuh. Seharusnya ini ada itu, ada. Gak ada apa-apa, gak ada yang dibutuhkan. Kesini ada rahasia-rahasiaan. Dimana ngapain weh? Pada gimana? Oh, ada yang punya kuda pak, boleh minjam? Mana pekelengan? Gak cukup, masa pakai iki ya? Kita punya kertas, bisa lah dibuat itu. Alah, pakai tembaga aja deh, sebisa aja. Oke, sudah Sekarang kita akan buat tambang. Di mana? Di sini. Kita buat sini. Kenapa tuh? Nice. Tak butuh. Andai saja punya mod ke toko-toko anjir. Gua mau pakai mod create tapi nggak bisa. Kita mau ini gelap aja. Kita tunggu gelap banget. Undecided larang aku kecuali kalau kamu main di mod create. Aku udah punya tapi gak bisa dipakai, gak ada gunanya. Kalau bisa mah ya wes kok bilang main mod create gitu. Tapi kalau ini mah random. Tambah seru padahal. Alah. Ini kapan sampai nih? Apa? Oke, ngerti kecil. Kenapa nggak ada apa-apa lah dari tadi? Iron kayak apalah. Tuh. Beli tuh ngelek kali. Pakai ngelek segala. Alah, gak ada apa-apa. Tuh, udah rusak duluan, Cik. Ini apa sih ini? Ya habis torchku. Ya masa gak apa-apa lah, gak pakai torch pun. Alah, sepi.
Most hardcore Minecraft worlds get better over time, And then there's mine, where my only goal is to use Create to pollute the world as much as possible until everything dies, including me. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the pollution that's above my factory that I worked so hard to make is starting to dissipate, and that is a serious problem. So I need to get some advice from the real professionals. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. I already have the perfect plan. I'm gonna make more pump jacks to get even more oil, process all that oil, and then make a massive diesel generator that'll create an insane amount of pollution. The only potential problem with my otherwise flawless plan is it requires a crazy amount of steel. And unfortunately, I don't think my massive steel reserves here, my 38 steel ingots, are going to be enough.
Ini untuk makanan daging, ini untuk makanan ini untuk makanan ini untuk makanan ini untuk makan kayak gini, ini khusus kayak untuk makanan emas. Kalian sini.
Okay, yeah, I should be good. Now cue the montage music.
Enjoy. Cukup enjoy. Terus ini apa sih? Ngapain? Ntar iki pintu nang iki. Ngapain ada ruangan sini woi? Aku nembak dor. Tembak dor. Gak boleh. Bentar. Ada sisa tembaga.
Oh my god, guys, don't look now. It's the EPA. We gotta take them out. Oh, that was close. Woo. Almost got seriously fined there. We took care of it.
Tuh. Perasaan nggak pernah deh gua copot. Alah, irritable. Long stick.
I seriously can't believe I just did all of this work here so I could take this one stupid wall and move it 4 blocks to the left. This has to be like the worst return on investment for work in Minecraft ever. But it's fine. It's okay. Clearly it was worth it because now I have all this extra space to work with, so I can tear down all these factory machines and then rebuild them, but slightly bigger and better, I guess. What is this and why did it just teleport? Okay, you know what? I don't even know what that is. I don't want to know what that is. Oh, this is going to be so painful. All my hard work. Man, it is really sad to look at this empty right now because it was so much work to set it up, but I just keep telling myself it'll be worth it in the end because it will generate significantly more pollution. And I speak for all of us when I say that's why us CEOs get up in the morning, to make the world a worse place for our children and grandchildren. My name is Jeff Bezos and I endorse this message. Okay, it cannot just be me that thinks this. The cast iron ingot and cast iron sheet are the same thing. I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna be brave and say it. There is no difference between these two images. I keep thinking I have cast iron sheets in my inventory, but no, it's just cast iron ingots and then I can't craft it. Oh no! I kept wondering if there was a reason I shouldn't turn all my fireproof brick into fireproof bricks, and I decided there wasn't, so I converted all of them but 3, and now apparently I need 3 fireproof brick per casting basin, so I can only make one of these, but I need multiple. Oh, I really don't want to go get fire clay again. Oh, it was such a pain to go wherever it was over there to find it. Please. No, that's not it. I'll still take. Oh my gosh. This is the greatest day ever. No, but it needs cast iron ingots. But it needs sheets, but it
Nah,
needs ingots.
apalah
And
iki.
then I was wondering where my first casting basin
Aduh
went
lah.
because I broke it and then it fell in the hopper and then it went in the barrel. You guys want to know the worst thing ever? Even after that whole emotional roller coaster with the fireproof bricks, I realized I need blast furnace reinforcements, a ton of these, and I'm going to need even more fireproof bricks for this, which means I still have to go get more fire clay balls, which is like the worst thing ever. Many unbearable hours later. Well, that took forever, but
Nyala
okay,
cek
dude.
ada apa?
Trying to make a video here, man.
Iron. Nah, akhirnya dapat iron juga. Banyak dong. Yes, banyak. Apa gua pakai mod X-ray ya?
Last time, and then I immediately ran out of them. But this time it'll be true. And now that I have an inventory of full of advanced machines, I can finally start reassembling the steel factory.
Ih, menakutkan. Tak nyala sekarang. Jatuh mati. Gimana?
Okay, that's not what's supposed to happen, so I guess maybe we're just going with 2x2 blast stones
Mungkin aku
instead of
butuh
a
ini juga, Cir.
3x3.
Aduh. Butuh berapa kayu nih? Banyak ini masalahnya. Gak tahu banyak. Tak tambal. Nah,
I don't think that's supposed to happen. Pretty sure it's supposed
ini
to be a
tak
full
jadi
block. What?
tiang nanti.
So if I place it down facing this block, it does it as a half one, and if I place it down facing this block, it's a full one. Okay then, I guess I'll just place all of these down, these reinforcements facing
Oh,
this block on this
sakit
one.
pula.
And what about back here? Full half. Okay, this one's the opposite. Fantastic. Somebody send help, please. Wait, is it because these are half blocks? If I get rid of these... Oh, I figured it out. And then this will be a full block. I hate this game. That should be everything covered that I need to cover. So this will all be worth it.
Terus
If when I look
apa
at this,
lagi
it says
Wan?
reinforced.
Oh iya sih, bakar.
Yes.
Iki.
Wait, but it says height 6. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, this is absolutely not the height. This is bedroom. There's no way. Oh my gosh, height 8. So that's what it was. It has to be on the side. It can't be on the back. That's crazy. The only problem is none of this can produce any steel or pollution until I hook it up to rotational power, and I have a feeling that is not going to be a pleasant experience. Oh, it's fine though. I'll just keep thinking about all the pollution it's going to generate. Just, any minute now. Man, it really dissipated. Okay, I got to get this stuff hooked up. My pollution is almost fully gone. I can't wait for the day I can stop using renewable green energy to generate pollution. Because if I'm being honest, it just feels kind of backwards right now. You guys may not like it, but this is what peak rotational power transfer looks like. Seriously though, this is the most disgusting thing I've ever done. We have to cover this up right now before somebody gets sick. We do not speak of this
Anjay.
ever.
Yes sir. Pakai aja. Seharusnya
That was a painful process, but everything should be hooked up now.
nice.
And the system should
Ini
work.
apa ini?
I haven't
Am.
tested it yet. So, moment of truth, I'm gonna start loading
Aku
these up
butuhnya
with a little
gas.
bit of coal in each one.
So
and hopefully
fuck.
everything starts working
What the
perfectly.
heck?
Just like before, I can't, oh, I was gonna say I can't read anything.
Mahal.
Now I can read stuff. It
Mahal
does appear that
hamal.
it worked for a little bit, and now it's not working. What? Oh, well, I guess that fixed it. All I did was remove the brick smokestack of this thing right here that I had up there, which is supposed to be emitting pollution, and now all of a sudden it's working again, because I guess the smokestack up there limited the output, and instead it's better to just have an open pipe. I don't know. I mean, it's not an issue. I just thought it would look cool, so I guess
Ya aku
I
mesti
leave
aku
it like
buat
that. Now it's
dulu.
working. And then these over here have generated hot air, fantastic. And then this is just waiting for some inputs at the top to make steel, I think. Guess I didn't think that through. It's so tall now, I can't even access the input for it from down here. I need a ladder system going up the
Aku
side.
masih ada satu sih.
Boom.
Kita kasih
There
itu.
we go. Ladder up the side. Now I can drop all this stuff in the top. And once it gets fully loaded in there, which I guess will take a minute since I
What?
probably shouldn't use the chute up there. But once it gets fully loaded in there, we're going to see if it works.
Oh
And
ya, wait a minute.
hooray, that it is significantly faster than the prior setup. Otherwise, these last few hours of work have been a complete waste. Oh, yes, it's working, and it takes like half the time, or less than half the time that it took to make it before. That is so much better. Come on, Cass, give us our first steal. There we go. There we go. Look at it. It's making it so much better. This is great. Wait, I want to see the pollution. But before we get into that, we need to talk about the brand new Red Magic Astra 2. Red Magic's latest gaming tablet that delivers crazy performance and even crazier RGB lighting. Seriously though, this tablet looks amazing with its 2.4K H5 OLED display, completely flat design, and a premium transparent metal body, showing off one of the most absurd and awesome features. The ratio. Yeah, it's my favorite gaming tablet. You guys heard it here first from the Talking Cat. Be sure to use my link in the description or pinned comment to get early bird perks like a discount, 1-day early access, and more. Stock is limited, so be sure to check it out. We gotta lock in. We need this for the sponsorship segment. Red Magic is telling on you. There we go.
Nice.
We're making pollution again, and it should be a little bit, well, it should be
Oke,
twice as fast
waktunya
as what we were
kita
doing before, although
berangkat hari kedua.
yeah, okay, so two things. Number one, I have completely forgotten to rebuild the visual smokestacks up there, which I was wondering why the fact
Agak
that
takut
it
sih.
be worse. So I need to fix that. But you can see
Semoga saja
this is
aman.
what the smokestack looks like. The particle effects look so
Meskipun
good,
aku
and
udah
it
mau
lets out regular pollution,
full.
but for some reason, this limits the amount that it can put out. So I have to go get rid of
Oh
that.
my
And what a
God,
buzzkill. But we're
yes.
making pollution again.
Loh. Ah,
Oh yeah, this is so much better. In the time it took me to fix the smokestacks up there, it's already created 60 steel ingots. That said, I do still have to sit and wait here because I need way more than 60 steel ingots. But the good thing is the waiting is moderately more efficient. You always gotta look at the glass half full, guys. You gotta stay positive. I guess technically I could be a little bit productive while I wait for this to make a whole bunch of steel. As much as I'd like to just AFK here and watch something on YouTube, you guys reminded me that I can automate the production of limestone using lava and honey. And I've got lava right here, which means I need to go get some honey. Man, I feel so bad for these bees. First I killed them and took their land over there, and now I'm stealing their honey over here. It's just, this is getting dangerously close to a Christopher Columbus cosplay. Oh my gosh, and I'm being horrible to
iron.
them, because this now causes
Enggak
pollution.
di
Normally you do
emas.
this so they don't get mad, but really I'm
Ya,
just, I'm
fokus
killing
lah.
them in there.
Alah, dikitnya.
Oh, see, he's dying.
Tembaga dikit aja.
I'm so sorry.
Emang dikit sih.
Oh, I've been so bad to the bees, and I don't even have more campfires, so I'm sorry, I'm just stealing it. Get it? Get it?
Ada koal.
I've never done this process before.
Sana
I'm
nanti
pretty
aja.
sure I need to put a basin over
Oh
here, and
my
I can
god.
press all 4 of these honey bottles
Ada
together
iron lagi.
to get
Iron
one
dan
block.
iron.
Yes. And then I need to put it. Oh, 32 andesite alloy just sitting in there.
Oh
Yes.
my
That's a
god.
great day today. It's like when you find $20 in your pocket.
Besarnya tempat
Anyway,
ini
I just
pun.
put a honey block in here, and if
The
I keep
fuck?
this up, it should make me 1 bucket of honey. Yes, perfect. Now I just need to check to make sure you guys weren't lying to me.
Waduh. Ada banyak tubuh
I hate
kecil
myself
pula.
sometimes. Don't keep that in. Editor, if you keep that in, you are dead to me. It does work. So now I can get infinite limestone.
Wall.
And this would work fine if I had it set up with the drill, because the drill no longer actually breaks the block. So I need to make this look a little bit fancier and have an automated setup over here, and then it'll be fine.
Tak kucir. Takut
Okay,
kucir.
well, it definitely looks good.
Semoga
I'm
tetap
really happy
aman.
with how that turned out.
Please,
The real
kata
question
itu
is,
kemana-mana.
if I flip this
Kita
lever,
ambil semuanya
will
lah.
it work?
Ngelek.
Oh, it does. See? Create mod works
Ngelek.
around me being an idiot, because now it doesn't get rid of the block anymore. And now I have infinite limestone. which is
Diamond!
great, because
Diamond!
I
Diamond!
get, and that is 1/3 of what I need to produce steel.
Diamond.
Unfortunately, I do still need to manually
Situ
gather
ada
coal
diamond.
and iron because I need raw iron.
Tapi
And
gua
we can only
ambil
put coal
dulu,
into
gua
coke
mau
ovens to make the
ini
coal coke,
karena
so there's no way
diperlukan
around
untuk
that. Speaking of
mesin-mesinan.
manually gathering coal and iron, I'm running
Ngelek
low on both of
lagi,
those, so
ngelek
I actually
lagi.
can go do that. Before I go and do that though, I'm gonna make an enchanting
Aduh lah.
set and enchant at least my pickaxe to get fortune, because I know everybody watching would
Ntar.
completely crash out if I didn't. If I go with 50 levels and a regular diamond pickaxe, I guess I'm just setting this entire thing up outside, since I still haven't moved any of this stuff. Any of my vanilla stuff up into the
Villager.
bed has not made its way into
Ada
the
villager,
factory yet,
cuy.
which I probably need to deal with soon.
Woi,
but
mana,
for
woi?
now, this is just going right out
Uh.
here. I made a fresh pickaxe and a fresh shovel.
Halo,
so I
Pak.
wanna enchant both of these. The real
Yeay,
question is,
ada
how many
orang.
hits does it take to get
Apa nih?
fortune off my pickaxe?
Wah,
Super
nggak
disappointing
kelihatan
on the
sih.
shovel, but whatever. Technically, I only care about
Apa
efficiency, but
nih?
that's a little bit weak. I guess I should do all my gear too. Cycle through that. I'm gonna risk it with the pickaxe. Oh my god.
Oke, Pak. Kamu tunggu sini aja, Pak.
42. Okay, I only have 5
Terserah
levels.
Papa
I
lu.
have to just take it.
Ya udah,
And it only. Oh my god. Okay.
kita lanjutin.
Unbelievable. Oh, it's definitely not ideal, but I guess it's time to go do some mining with my Fortune 2 and nothing else pickaxe.
Yes, sir. Banyak. Jangan lupakan diamond di sana. Jangan melupakannya, itu berharga.
Yeah, I mean, this looks moderately dangerous down here, but there is a little bit of iron, so I guess I go. I don't know.
Diamond. Di sini ada yang lain.
There's 2 baby zombies with one with a sword. Oh, what a nightmare. They don't really do that much damage, but baby zombies with a sword when I'm blinded will always terrify me. Okay, I think I'm calling the mining trip there. I definitely would have hoped to get
Diamond,
a
ye
little bit more
diamond.
iron.
Akhirnya
Plenty of
diamond
coal for
pertamaku
producing all the coal coke
di
that I need
survival
and
ini.
the cast iron. For having a Fortune 2 pickaxe and not going caving for too long, it's not bad. It should be enough to get everything, and that's all that
Menyeramkan ini.
matters. Well, the steel production is done, and I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. The good news is, if I look down, I have so much steel. This is definitely more steel than I could possibly need, and I'll probably regret saying that in a couple minutes here. But still, the barrel's almost completely full, so this should be good to go. The bad news is, if I look up, I also have more pollution than I could possibly need inside my house. And it's getting worse every minute that goes by. And obviously, I know the goal of this series is to make pollution, so we're doing a fantastic job at that right now. But I don't want the carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide sitting in my house. You guys suggested I use one of these pumps, which apparently is able to suck up all the pollution around it and then output it out a chimney. But that's way too smart of a solution. So instead, I'm gonna do something real stupid.
Oh.
You guys have no idea how excited I am to show you this, because it's super cool and super stupid. Mainly, I'm just really hoping it works, because there's like a 50% chance it fails and breaks our entire factory, but it'll probably work. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, it works! It works perfectly! Look at all the pollution going on!
Redstone lumayan bagus.
Wait for it.
Semuanya tak sama itu.
And look at all the pollution up there. Oh, it's so good. I want to do it again. And it even has some of the pipes coming with it. And then they just reattach. When the roof goes back down. Oh, it's like from Willy Wonka's chocolate factory or something. Oh man, I'm so glad that turned out way better than I thought.
Banyak wall, mantap.
And now that the pollution problem is expertly taken care of, I can use all of this steel, and I should use all of this steel since... What? Oh! Mining fatigue! Wait! Did I get enough pollution in the area to start getting debuffs from it? Oh, it's only when I'm in there. It's only when I'm right under that huge concentration of pollution. If I open up the roof... Look at what I'm right under it! Oh, we're polluting the world! Never in the history of the world has anyone been so excited to get mining fatigue. But as I was saying, I need to use all of this steel that I just made to craft up all of this stuff over here. That's everything I need to make the pump jacks, the oil processing, all of it. And looking at the recipes for some of this stuff, I have a feeling this is going to be a rough one.
Ye, akhirnya ada ini jir, ada torch banyak. Bisa nerangin des. Oh, di atas ada banyak tuh. Gua terangin dulu. Waduh. Oh. Oh. Kagetin aja jir.
Unprocessed heavy plates and I can't pick them up. I put like an entire stack down in there.
Oh, lebih banyak. Bagus. Bagus.
Now I got these 2 barrels. And I have to manually put each one on here. I think this should be enough for now, considering I need to make 40 of these steel mechanisms, and I guess we're just gonna hope that I don't fail very much. Oh yeah, and I'm making them all by hand.
Wala, pantesan tadi itu nggak ada jir.
And also because I don't really have room in here right now, but mostly because I'm lazy, so do it by hand. There's no...
ada banyak. Halo Pak, jalan apa? Jangan gitu Pak. Sama saja kau satunya. Sama
You guys look and see someone did something heinous tonight? Just know that was me.
Aku doang nih.
One down.
Tak kenapa.
The steel mechanism manual assembly is finally done, and if you guys can believe it, I actually only failed that first one. So I guess in the end I got pretty lucky. But now I get to use these to make this recipe right here, which I
Oh,
guess
iron.
means I need to reassemble these a little bit for the time being. One more on
Lumayan
top of
banyak
each other.
iron.
Orient all these
Kalau punya
properly.
3 sih
I
tak
think it should be
buat
good. Trying to
pickaxe.
remember where these things
Tapi
are
tadi
even
yang
going
dapat
here.
2 doang. Ada.
These three down here, and then on the sides. There we go. I think that's correct. We'll see in a second here. It makes a large engine, and then if it does, I only need to do that 9 more times. Of course, it only makes one.
Alajir.
Why is there a villager up here? Where did you even come from? There is no village anywhere around here, but apparently he wandered from somewhere nearby all the way up the mountain and then took a job over here while I was doing my crafting. What? Why would you wander to the polluted area? This dude right here decided, yo, Flint, Michigan sounds like a real baller place to live. Let me go there. Hey, dude, you want to chill in the house? That's fine.
Besarnya.
It took forever, and it was excruciatingly painful, but I have finished all of the crafting.
Dan nanti
And
saja
this is
oh,
everything
ada
I
ini.
will need
Ntar.
to make the entire oil
Paling
processing
tak
setup.
off
And if you think
cam
of
nanti
yourself,
tak
that really isn't all that
tak
much
tambang,
Well,
tak
that's
cari
because
ya.
I lied.
Ya sampai sini aja sudah hampir
This
50
is everything I
menit
need
ini.
for the oil processing setup. And
Nanti
if
kalau
you're still
diedit
thinking to yourself,
berapa nggak tahu.
isn't all that
Tapi aku
much?
nggak bisa edit sih, kadang-kadang aku itu.
I lied.
Nggak apa-apa lah, liatin.
This is also everything I need
Oh,
for the entire oil processing setup. But now that I look at it, this chest is significantly less impressive.
Kembali.
Just some basic
Ih,
building
takut.
blocks and charcoal.
Takut ada kayak monster. Gitu apalah. Ih. Tak tambang-tambang dikit-dikit. Kita aja ini lagi di perjalanan. Gak ada apa-apa kan. Oh, itu iron. Di sini nggak salah ada iron dah. Gak ada dah di situ.
A lot of stuff. All of this is what I'm gonna need. And even with all of that, I'm sure I still forgot something. Speaking of forgetting stuff, I completely forgot where my oil pump jack is. Eventually, I'll just be able to look in the sky and see where all the pollution's coming from, like some kind of corporate America bat signal or something, but I don't have that yet, so I guess I'm just wandering around in the cherry grove until I find it. Wait, what? Is that the village that guy came from? He went from that village over this monstrosity right here, all the way up this mountain, and then looked over there and thought, yeah, dude, that's where I want to go. Oh, there it is, in the last place I looked for it, my pump jack in the site of my recent oil spill. Oh, and it's becoming nighttime, and it's raining, and I forgot a bed. I knew I would forget something, and it was the dumbest thing. Are we being serious right now, dude?
Kepul.
So the good news is this pump jack is obviously already running, it's already getting crude oil, and the even better news is I'm pretty sure it's this chunk right here has another oil deposit in it, so I just need to find where that is, and then I can set up a second pump jack to get twice as much oil, which means twice as much pollution. I don't have a single care in the world. I'm playing Russian roulette right now, boys. I'm mining straight down all the way to bedrock. And while I say that, I might just get these golden apples right there on the hot bar. I'm gonna be honest, I'm so scared doing this right now.
Menakutkan, Cil. Berapa sih? 70. Habis nih paling penyimpanannya ayahku. Tak buat direkam. Berat pula Minecraft. Oh,
On a
bocah.
serious note now, I found diamonds
di
before I
mana?
found the oil deposit. I found a lot
Aku
of
dari
diamonds before I
sana.
found the oil deposit. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I take it back. I'm not
Oke,
feeling lucky.
sini.
The hole I mined down is right here, and I decided to mine this entire area out in this direction, and it turns out it was a one block behind me. I hate finding oil deposits so much. Alright, we're going back to the surface. What? How is there a silverfish there? I'm so confused.
Akhirnya pulang dengan sesuatu yang banyak. 64 stack. Bagus. Bagus. Bagus.
I'm 100% filling this hole in before I fall in and die. Finally got the oil up to the surface, which means now it's time to construct the second pump jack. I need to start
Yes.
with the pump space, put in a couple of steel trucks
Di
to
sini
get
itu
the pump
ada
jack
tambang
out, put the
TNT
pump jack holder on
banyak.
top, build out the pump
Halo
jack
Pak.
itself with hammer parts.
Akhirnya kembali.
And finally get the crank with some rotational power to get it going. Hold on. This should fix it. Why did I put this? One block to the right. Well, that's the problem too. It needed to be glued, but I also
Mungkin saja aku bisa buat senjata.
One back there. There we go. Now it's working. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks great. Speaking of processing the soil, though, I'm gonna need a fair bit of room to do that. I mean, I guess this area right here is as good as any. It's just gonna need a little bit of work.
Aku buat dulu, siapa tahu nanti. Nah ini.
And I need a new shovel. It was so bad. Something that flashed before my eyes.
Oke, habis ini sudah mungkin. Matahari. Hello. Aku nggak butuh beberapa kayu. Halo Pak, cekin aku ya. You know what? Aku akan bunuh mereka 1, 3 aja. 2. Kebanyakan kalau ngelek.
I guess tons of pollution. It is a little bit ironic that I spent so long trying to make this area look really nice. I did a whole bunch of terraforming around the whole thing. I replanted all the trees I cut down. When really my only goal over here is to destroy the environment. But hey, on the bright side, at least the environment will look good while it's getting destroyed. It's like the worst consolation prize ever. But regardless, speaking of destroying the environment, it is finally time to start working on the oil processing. And all of this from the distillation tower.
Dan waktunya kita membuat senjata api. Cuy, taruh sini.
Eventually, I do need to connect it to both of those contracts to get the power into it. So maybe somewhere like, I don't know, right here. And the whole thing starts with 4 blaze burners. And then just a disgusting amount of steel fluid. Oh yeah, here we go. Water bucket clutch? Yeah, cut that out. Technically, this isn't a distillation tower just yet. It's a couple of blaze burners and a bunch of fluid tanks. But I can fix that relatively easily using steel distillation controller and using a truss or a scaffold. If I throw it down right here, well, bam, now it's almost a finished distillation tower, and you can tell because it looks maybe like 3 or 4% cooler. Unfortunately, this still isn't a finished distillation tower though, because you can see here the output count is 0. The heat level is also 0, but I'm going to deal with that later. That's fine. The output count needs to be addressed though. Which one of these shows all the different outputs? There we go. Here are all 6 outputs that come from the full distillation process. So we start with crude oil, then we get heavy oil, diesel, kerosene, naphtha, gasoline, and LPG. For right now, I really only care about the diesel, but obviously I want all 6 of these because I want as much material to pollute with as possible, obviously. So I need 6 different outputs for this, and I can easily set that up with the 6 distillation outputs and a couple industrial pipes. The first one has to go right
Iron
on
put
top of the
plug
distillation
ingot
controller,
tapis
and
lagi
then I need industrial
iron
pipes
ya
to
sudah,
every
ingot
other.
tapnya
It
sudah.
is actually disgusting how much this world. Take 2, redemption. You gotta cut that out. Keep cutting. Please cut that out. Like I said, eventually I'll need to figure out a whole automated heating cycle over here to actually get this thing to run, but that sounds kind of boring, so that's a future problem. For now, we need to set up a whole bunch of fluid tanks somewhere over here to store all the outputs from the distillation tower. Wow. Yeah. These tanks look disgusting. Maybe I can make them a little
Hello,
bit better maybe if I do this, but overall, that color does not look good. I really,
kita sudah ya
really like
guys,
the way the
udah
distillation
capek
tower
gua.
looks, and I don't
Ini
like the way
juga
these look
ngelek.
because the distillation tower
Oke,
is
bye
made of
bye.
steel fluid tanks.